Hey guys, Jody Hand here, Mrs. Hand Painted, and in today's video I was just doing a quick color chart of my Daniel Smith paints that I recently put into new full pans, and I just needed a quick color chart for inside of my tin just so that I won't mix up all of these colors that are all dark. And you can make a quick color chart too just by cutting a sheet of watercolor paper to fit inside your tin and do little swatches of each color. And I'm curious to anybody that watches my video today, what are your go-to colors? These are Daniel Smith paints, and I do have 3 more spots. I could add 3 more colors. Is there any colors I'm missing that you can't live without? Any that you are surprised I have in my palette that you really don't think I need? I do happen to have 2 ultramarines because I bought 2 different sets, and one had a French ultramarine and an ultramarine, and I really don't need 2 of those. But I'm curious, what would you replace that with? And what colors can you not live without in your palette? So I'm curious to see what you have to say. I'd love to see your comments. Subscribe to my channel. I've got lots more video tutorials I'm working on, and thanks for watching. I finally have my Daniel Smith paints all put back into these full pans. And since I moved them from the half pans to these full pans, that's why some of them look kind of bumpy like. But eventually those will smooth out as I use them and add more water to them. And I just wanted to make myself a quick little color chart for my pans just as a reference. And I just cut down a sheet of, this is B paper, and I just cut down a sheet that would fit inside my tin. And I'm going to draw some little lines across here, make sure I can fit all of them. I'm just going to do quick little swatches across just as a little color chart, and I'm using a Pigma Micron pen to trace that and to write the lines because that's waterproof. So just a quick little video of me swatching out all of the Daniel Smith paints I have in my collection.